Namaste everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an exciting and practical lesson lined up for you. We are going to learn how to ask for and understand directions in Hindi. Whether you're traveling in India or simply want to expand your language skills, this video is for you. So, let's dive right in. Alright, let's kick things off with directions. First up, we have the north, which is Uttar in Hindi. Can you repeat after me? Uttar. Fantastic. I will repeat this. North. Uttar. North. Uttar. Now, let's move to the south, which is Dakshin in Hindi. Give it a try. Dakshin. Excellent. I will repeat this. South. Dakshin. South. Dakshin. Now, let's move to the east, which is Purva in Hindi. Give it a try. Purv. Excellent. I will repeat this. East. Purv. East. Purv. Now, let's move to the northeast, which is Ishan Kon in Hindi. Give it a try. Ishan Kon. Excellent. I will repeat this. Northeast. Ishan Kon. Northeast. Ishan Kon. Now, let's move to the southeast, which is Dakshin Purva in Hindi. Give it a try. Dakshin Purv. Excellent. I will repeat this. Southeast. Dakshin Purv. Southeast. Dakshin Purv. Now, let's move to the right, which is Dahine in Hindi. Give it a try. Dahine. Excellent. I will repeat this. Right. Dahine. Right. Dahine. Now, let's move to the left, which is Baएं in Hindi. Give it a try. Baएं. Excellent. I will repeat this. Left. Baएं. Left. Baएं. Now, let's move to the up, which is Upar in Hindi. Give it a try. Upar. Excellent. I will repeat this. Up. Upar. Up. Upar. Now, let's move to the down, which is Niche in Hindi. Give it a try. Niche. Excellent. I will repeat this. Down. Niche. Down. Niche. Now, let's move to the front, which is Samne in Hindi. Give it a try. Samne. Excellent. I will repeat this. Front. Samne. Front. Samne. Now, let's move to the back, which is Piche in Hindi. Give it a try. Piche. Excellent. I will repeat this. Back. Piche. Back. Piche. Great job, everyone. Let's quickly recap what we've learned so far. North, Uttar. South, Dakshin. East, Purv. Northeast, Ishan Kon. Southeast, Dakshin Purv. Right, Dahine. Left, Baएं. Up, Upar. Down, Niche. Front, Samne. Back, Piche. Dhanyavad. Thank you for joining me today. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy learning.